Today we'll be talking about myopia and the lifestyle that affects it. Did you ever think what kind of lifestyle is suspected to increase the amount of myopia? Firstly, let us know what is myopia. Myopia is a condition of the eye's focusing system in which a person can see objects at closer distance clearly, but objects further away are blurry. As myopic patient can see objects at closer distance clearly, it is also called nearsightedness. Now let us see how image forms inside the eye in myopic patient. The shape of the eye causes light rays to bend incorrectly, making the rays of light to form images in front of the eye's retina instead of forming them on the retina when the eye is at rest or in a relaxed state. This is an example of myopic eye. This is the object in front of the eye, and this is the image formed in front of the retina. The next question that comes to mind is what kind of lifestyle is suspected to increase the amount of myopia? Excessive near work, increased use of computers, phones and reading force your eyes to focus on small print or objects which can cause an eye strain. Excessive use of these devices can blur your vision for distance and can lead to the development of myopia. Second, lack of proper health. Having these health conditions can increase the risk of developing myopia in adults, namely diabetes mellitus, uncontrolled cholesterol or hypertension, uncontrolled thyroid disorders, anemia. Third, lack of sleep. Lack of sleep can also lead to symptoms like myopia and can cause a reduction in vision with constant stress. 4. Over or undercorrected eyeglasses. Undercorrected hypermetropia and overcorrected myopia form the image behind the retina and can cause an increased risk of myopia progressing. Fifth, near work in laying down position. Straining to see a movie or read a book under improper lighting in a sleeping posture can also cause eye strains and could lead to a risk of developing myopia. Sixth, poor diet. Poor diet that is low in vitamins and antioxidants can also cause weakness and can lead to eye strain and increased risk of developing myopia. 7. Body growth. Both boys and girls with increasing height have been found to have a higher risk of developing myopia and an increased risk of myopia progression. The factors that affect myopia progression for children are 1. Genetic inheritance. If your parents were nearsighted, you are more likely to be as well. The chances for the same are, if both parents are nearsighted, the chances are 33 to 60%. If one parent is nearsighted, the chances are 10%. If no parents are nearsighted, the chances are 5%. Second, indoors versus outdoors. Spending too little time in outdoors has a negative effect on eyes and increases the risk of developing myopia. It was found that children who played outside less than 45 minutes a day and spent more time of the day on near work were found to have the longest eyes. Third, using digital devices. Using digital devices from a closer distance for longer time or using them while being held at inappropriate angles can lead to improper focusing of light in the eye and can cause an increase in the amount of myopia and myopic astigmatism. The devices such as mobile phones, electronic tablets, laptops, etc.